Hi, hello, namaste. This is Vijaya. Welcome to you all Anbu Viji Vidyadhara channel. And this is NCERT Kshitij Grade 10 Lesson 10 Netaji Ka Chashma Part 6. In last video, we came to know that at last Halda Sahab saw the Chashme Wala. He saw that he was holding a suitcase in one hand and in other hand different types of spectacles stuck in a bamboo frame. And he was an old lame man wearing Gandhiji's cap. Okay, after seeing him, Halda Sahab took his jeep and went off. Now let us see what happens in this paragraph. फिर एक बार ऐसा हुआ कि मूर्ति के चेहरे पर कोई भी कैसा भी चश्मा नहीं था. Then one day it happened that he saw the statue where there is no spectacle is there in Netaji's statue. उस दिन पान की दुकान भी बंद थी. On that day, पान shop was also closed. चौराहे के अधिकांश दुकानें बंद थी. Most of the shops were closed in चौराहे, 4 roads. अगली बार मूर्ति की आंखों पर चश्मा नहीं था. Next time again when he saw there is no spectacle in Netaji's statue. हालदा साहब ने पान खाया. हालदा साहब ate his पान और धीरे से पान वाले से पूछा and slowly he moved to पान वाला and asked, क्यों भाई, क्या बात है? What brother? What happened? आज तुम्हारे नेताजी की आंखों पर चश्मा नहीं है. Today there is no spectacle in your Netaji's statue. पान वाला उदास हो गया. पान वाला felt very sad. He became very sad when he asked that question. उसने पीछे मुड़कर मुंह का पान नीचे थूका और सिर झुकाकर अपनी धोती से सिरे से आंखें पहुंचता हुआ बोला. He turned up and spit his pan from his mouth and took his dhoti and slowly he wiped his tears. Sahab, captain मर गया. Sahab, the captain died. और कुछ नहीं पूछ पाए हालदार साहब. Then he was not able to speak anything more. कुछ पल चुपचाप खड़े रहे. For some time he stood silently. फिर पान के पैसे चुकाकर जीप में आ बैठे और रवाना हो गए. Then he gave the money to पान and came to jeep and started from there. बार बार सोचते क्या होगा उस कौम का जो अपने देश की खातिर घर, गृहस्थी, जवानी, जिंदगी सब कुछ होम देने वालों पर भी हंसती है और अपने लिए बिकने के मौके ढूंढते हैं. So बार बार he was thinking again and again he was thinking what happened to that community. Qawm is a community who is sacrificing his house members, his Jawani, his lifetime, his young Jawani. Jawani means youngster, young, youth, his life to this nation to whom these people were laughing. और अपने लिए बिकने के मौके ढूंढते हैं. Then after losing all that, when he come back from his service, then again he has to work somewhere else, isn't it? दुखी हो गए. He became sad. 15 दिन बाद फिर उसी कस्बे से गुजरे. After 16 days, again he crossed in that city. कस्बे में घुसने से पहले ही ख्याल आया कि कस्बे की हृदय स्थली में सुभाष की प्रतिमा अवश्य ही प्रतिष्ठापित होगी. Before entering into the kasbah, he thought the statue of Subhash Chandra Bose, again the statue would be there, but सुभाष की आंखों पर चश्मा नहीं होगा, but there would not be a spectacle in statues. सुभाष नेताजी स्टैचू, क्योंकि मास्टर बनाना भूल गया, because मास्टर already forgot to make spectacle for this statue. और कैप्टन भी मर गया, and also the captain died. Captain only used to change the spectacles often to that statue, no? Now definitely there won't be any spectacles in that statue. He thought, Sahab thought like this. सोचा आज वहां रुकेंगे नहीं. Then he thought, I should not stand over there. पान भी नहीं खाएंगे, and also I will not eat पान. मूर्ति की तरफ देखेंगे भी नहीं. I will not at all turn my head towards the मूर्ति. सीधे निकल जाएंगे. Will cross that city straight away. ड्राइवर से कह दिया, he said to driver, चौराहे पर रुकना नहीं. Don't stop in the four roads. आज बहुत काम है. Today I have a lot of work. But what is the actual reason he don't want to see the statue? Okay. पान आगे कहीं खा लेंगे. Let me eat पान somewhere else. Okay. He said to driver likewise, and again he started to drive in car. लेकिन आदत से मजबूर आंखें चौराहा आते ही मूर्ति की तरफ उठ गई. आदत is a habit. He had a habit to see the statue often when he crossed by Chauraha, no? So the same habit, when he reached over the four roads, he turned up his head towards the statue. कुछ ऐसा देखा कि चीजें चीखे. Something he said and shouted. चीखना means to shout. रोको, stop. जीप स्पीड में थी. जीप was running in a speed. ड्राइवर ने जोर से ब्रेक मारे. ड्राइवर gave a speed brake. रास्ता चलते लोग देखने लगे. All the people, those who are walking around that area, they started to see the jeep, how speed it is coming and how speedily he gave a brake. जीप रुकते न रुकते हालदा साहब जीप से कूदकर तेज तेज कदमों से मूर्ति की तरफ लपके. As soon as the jeep stopped, not even the jeep stopped, he jumped from the jeep and started to walk towards the मूर्ति very fastly. कूदकर तेज तेज, fastly he walked towards the मूर्ति. और उसके ठीक सामने जाकर अटेंशन में खड़े हो गए. Just he stood in front of the मूर्ति and he stood in attention there. मूर्ति की आंखों पर सरखंडे से बना छोटा सा चश्मा रखा हुआ था. Now there is a चश्मा made up of sarkande. Sarkande is a long grass. Sarkande is a long grass, and with the help of those grass, someone has made some chashma and weared it to the मूर्ति. जैसा बच्चे बना लेते हैं, and maybe it could have made by the children. As the children make a chashma by playful method, the same chashma has been weared to the Netaji's chashma. हालदा साहब भावुक हैं. इतनी सी बात पर उनकी आंखें भर गई. By seeing the statue, he felt so surprised, and by seeing that, he started to cry. His eyes were filled with the tears. Okay. So now what? Someone is there in that kasbah. After the death of the captain also, someone is there to wear chashma, to give chashma to Netaji's statue. That means a patriotism is there in that kasbah. The patriotism has not died. Okay. This is the story of this lesson. Hope you all could have liked this. Thank you. Dhanyavad.